Hello, welcome. I'm Joe, and today I'm going to show you how to make two types of tissue covers. One has a vertical opening and the other has a horizontal opening. All the cutting instructions will be placed in the description. Now you will need one piece for the lining and one for the exterior. And optionally you can place a piece of ribbon in case you wanted to attach it to a bag or something of the sort. Now you will clip the two pieces right sides together. One will be longer than the other. You just place it so that the edges are matching and clip. You will sew across the short edge on both sides using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now that you've sewn the two short edges, your piece right sides out. As I said before, the lining piece is longer than the exterior piece so that you will have a binding effect. Just flatten it and the way mine is at this moment. Now take a ruler and measure 1.5. Fold it over. We'll take the other end and place it to meet the 1.5 inch, and this should be about 3 inches. It doesn't matter, just bounce the two edges together. Clip and sew along the two edges using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. After stitching up the sides, this is what you should have. Now you will go around the points and pull them open as shown in the video and sew across each point with a 3/8 seam allowance so that we can box the corners and to give the cover its shape. So take this to your sewing machine and this is what you should have after boxing the corners. We will not cut off the excess points because I think that will help to give the bag its shape, so I'm not gonna cut off the edges. Just turn your cover, your tissue cover right sides out. And you're done. At this point you can place your tissue pack inside of it, or you can take the tissue out of the pack and place it inside of the cover. And this is the cover with the vertical opening. Next we will do the horizontal opening. Now let's make the second tissue cover. This one has an horizontal opening. So the pieces might be shaped different, but the instructions are the same. Just repeat all the steps that you did previously, as in placing it right sides together, the lining being longer than the exterior. Match the edges, sew it across using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and turn over and press so that you have the look of binding. And you repeat all your steps as you did before, and you will have two different types of tissue paper cover. So I hope this little tutorial was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up so that other people can see it as well. And in order to support my little community here, you can also subscribe. I have tons of other videos on backing and other DIY projects that you can check out. There will be links in the description and in the cards, or you can go directly to my channel, sewlyjo, and check out some of my other videos. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you. See you in my next video. You can continue watching to the end to see exactly how I made the second tissue cover.